Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna talk about Obrelo, one of the easiest tools to start your own dropshipping business without holding any inventory. With Obrelo, you can browse millions of products, add them to your store, and ship them directly to your customers, all from your laptop. And let me show you exactly how to use it. The first step is to create an Obrelo account, and to do that, just go to your computer and open your web browser and type in the Google search bar obrelo.com. Now once you type Obrelo, head to the website and click on obrelo.com and visit the website. Once you enter the website, click on sign up and create a free account. You're gonna click on the join Shopify now and you're gonna create a new account here by following the prompts. Now the second step, once you create an account and logged in, use the search bar to browse products by keywords, categories, or supplier. You'll see important details like price, shipping time, and reviews. As for the third step, you can import your products to your stores. And you can do that by clicking on Add to Import List for any products you like, and customize the title, description, and images before publishing it to your Shopify store. After you finish, publish to Shopify. Once edited, click Import to Store and the product will appear in your Shopify product list. As the fifth step is to process orders automatically. When a customer places an order, Obrelo will notify you. With one click, you can forward the order to your supplier. They handle packaging and shipping directly to your customer. And that's how easy it is to start dropshipping with Obrelo. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.